Sorry, back again as usual. If you're new to this channel, the name is Nupa, a former server moderator and also a consultant for Market Cipher. Market Cipher is the best trading script out there without a doubt. And in today's video, I'm still dealing with momentum waves and what momentum waves means, and basically we will touch on a few stuffs in relation to momentum. So basically, there's so many things you are seeing here. If you're new to this channel, you're seeing a whole lot of oscillators or waves moving. First one is you're seeing probably this one. You're also seeing this one as well. You're seeing these ones, and you're also seeing these ones. And it's like, well, there's too many stuffs in my eyes. What should I do? You understand? So ignore the first three ones, the ones I'm selecting. These ones, one, two. Yeah, of course, ignore them. And let's deal with the blue one and the green one. So the green one is called momentum. Momentum is a force. A force is a pull or push of an object. So let's say the object that we are trying to push is price. You understand? There's a price. And one thing you have to realize is price move in two sides. It either goes up or comes down. Then the final one is consolidate, which is an area whereby I wouldn't recommend people to trade because it's hard to trade in regions like that. Let me give you a typical example. It's these regions. It's hard to trade. You can only trade better when you see signs of your price moving this way or moving that way. So either up or down. All right, let me remove the drawing. So the goal here is to understand why price is going up. That's the goal, because a lot of people think price goes up because somebody somewhere on Twitter said it's going up, then it went up. Well, that person is not the market. You see, the market is what we see on Wall Street. Basically, what happens in Wall Street affects almost a lot of the asset that you're trying to trade. So if you think Joe Schmerk on the interwebs is saying, well, Bitcoin is going up, that's the only way to trade or invest, then you're probably hurting yourself because your buddy Joe Schmerk on YouTube doesn't have enough money to pump the price up like that. You understand? Yeah, we use money to pump price and we use momentum to increase the force. You understand? So it's dicey. A lot of people think trading is all about good news. It's going up, then it goes up. It's all about money. When money enters the asset, the price goes up. When money leaves the asset, price goes down. So today's video, let's deal with momentum from the standpoint of it being a force that pushes an object. So the object is price, right? So price here, or the candles, right? So the candles are the objects. These are the objects that we are trying to push up. You understand? We are trying to push these objects up, and we need a force. So let me draw my vertical line here from this side. Sorry, from this side to, let's say, let's use these regions. This side, right? And let's see what happened to the force. You understand? So the force started from this side. Once we register a green dot, it means there is a change in direction. It means it's going up. Green means go, right? Red means stop. It's going down. So these are normal signs. So there was an intersection between two oscillators, the deep blue one, this is the deep blue one, and the light blue. Then we printed a green dot. Then what happens to the momentum, which is force, started going up. You understand? Started going up, going up, going up, going up. So the force that we needed to push price up pushed price up. Make no mistake, money was already in the positive territories. So it was in the positive territories like this. You understand? So if money is in the positive territories and you have force pushing it up, it means we have two most influential oscillators heading towards the same direction or in the same direction. Make no mistake, there's a division here. There's a plus and this is minus. It divides the of course it divides the regions into two equal halves. It's like a mediator line. The mediator divides the earth into two equal halves. So basically that's let's do a little bit of mathematics here. So I don't want to confuse you guys. So it's like it's a division, positive territories and negative territories, and anything that happens up happens downwards as well. So basically that's the something that you have to know already, inverse relationship of almost everything. So it moved price upwards like this, price went upwards. But you see, the problem most people is they might think price went up because, well, somebody said it's going up. Well, that's good news, but there is a force. You understand? And there is liquid, which is money. And market cipher basically shows you these two. You understand? Force here, force, and liquid. Force or momentum and liquid. You understand? Then liquid makes trading easier. You understand? Makes trading very simplified. So what you're seeing right now is two most influential oscillators heading towards the same direction, pushing price up. So you could have probably held a long from this side, 38,850 to 47,197.09. You understand? So these are good signs, and these are more or less like the perfect longing scenarios when you're using market cipher. Again, the goal is to make a trade right, not to rush in a trade by following the simple script, or sorry, the simple strategies, not rushing. So let's see what happens. So once momentum crossed this 60 line, this is a 60 line, make no mistake, this is a 60 line. Momentum cross again, the intersection between the deep blue and the light blue printed a red dot. So what happens to momentum? Momentum falls down into the negative territories. Once it's red, you know it's coming down. Basically, this is common sense. Once it's green, it's going up. So the I'll probably touch on that one in the next video. The difference between the red dots and the green dots in the next video. So you will realize that momentum was falling. Now it goes into the negative territories. Look at price. Price was also sinking into the negative territories. Let's see what the candles, how the candles reacted. They felt hugely dumped. Understand? So like from 46,000 to like 26,000. This could have been a very decent shot. You understand? We can backtest momentum in different areas, and you can realize that the same thing repeating over and over and over. Nothing you want to understand, big people. Nothing you want to understand. There's the same thing playing over and over. And your goal is to always keep it simple. Find a time frame that suits your lifestyle. If you want to scalp, then lower time frames. If you want to swing, and higher time frames. Get to know all these things for yourself. I'm not the one coming to teach you swing and scalping. Basically, I'm trying to help you understand the script. And if you want to join my Discord as well, I have the Discord as well. If you want to join Market Cipher, you can use all the links in the description. Market Cipher Academy, Market Cipher merchandise store. Sorry, and basically you can grab any accessory you had, stuff like the box for yourself. And so it's a well-structured company, simplified script, very easy to use. And again, the goal is to simplify the script for everybody around the world to learn how to trade it for themselves using the best script out there. So until then, have a nice time, people.